This week's video, we're getting rid of this headlining, possibly only temporarily, but we need to get rid of it so we can insulate above it properly, because I've tried putting the sound deadening mat up there and it just keeps peeling back, so clearly need more access. So I'm going to pull this off. My wife's being an idiot in the background. Yeah, get rid of this. So we've got to pull off this bit here. These things, whatever they're called, visors, that's it. This has got to come out as well. The handles either side, and then it should just drop down, and then we can get into it, put the sound deadening on properly, insulate it, and then the proper insulation, the fluffy insulation, and then decide whether we're going to put it back in or make something of our own. We'll work that out when we get to it. Right, first step, there's 2 screws here, 2 screws the same at the other side. We pull this plasticky, crappy lining out. They're Phillips screws, by the way. Next step is just pull it down. These are little trim clip things. You may need a trim removal tool. Right. These horrible little plasticky things are rubbish, but they do the job. And try not to lose them, because you'll need them to put everything back together again. Okay, first step, get all the tools you need before starting the job. Right, we'll take out this middle one first. Oof. You can tell this is the stuff that is used on engines, because the pack is all greasy. That size maybe? Oh, close but no cigarillo. For some reason I always pick a 5.5. Nothing is ever 5.5. And now it should just pull out. Ow! And just trap your thumb. Cool, so that's that one out. We've got another trim clip here. You want to feed these back through there and just leave them hanging there. Losing space here. Ah. And that's the headlining out. Now it's just this thing here, which is a couple of 10 mils, I believe, and Alan's a popular guy in Italy, apparently. What this also means, actually, is we get to rerun the video feed to the reversing camera a little bit neater. Right, so I don't think it's a 5mm Allen this time. I think it might be a 4mm Allen. Yeah. Oh, they've had their espressos for this one as well. Little tip, keep hold of your Allen key when you're using it. I mean, that should be enough. I don't actually need it to be off completely, do I? 'Cause it's just going to slide out. Cracking. So now this should, all right, it does. Lift that out of the way. As you can see, this is falling down, so we need a bit more spray adhesive, roller this on, then we can put the actual insulation on, then some foam stuff, and then we get to decide if we're going to replace what we've just pulled down or make a new one. Because the thing with these jobs, you have to weigh up the amount of time you're going to be spending making something and how long you've got, basically, and the skills, and I am no carpenter. So I think put the insulation in and put that lot back in. Rock and roll, sounds good to me. So, spray adhesive. Yeah, what's happened there? Probably spray it on the actual sound deadening as well. We bought some more, so it's not like we're running out. $140. Let's try doing this properly, shall we? $140 by 29.
And I forgot to record putting the actual insulation in, so we stuffed it at the sides, put the closed cell foam stuck on that, and then the recycled plastic bottle fluffy stuff. And here I am reinserting the headlining. And the eagle-eyed viewers of you will have noticed that when I measured that headlining space, I used metric and imperial for each of the dimensions.
Do we want to put the headlining in? I think we probably do. Bloody miserable outside. Don't know if you can hear, but it's pissing it down. Let's get the headline in. Right, that's the headlining removed, and then sound deadening and 2 layers of insulation added, and the headlining put back in. Cracking job. So it's literally 4 fillet screws to either side, pull this down, the Allen head bolts to pull out the grab handles, and pull out the mirror with another Phillips, couple of Phillips Phillips screws, pull it down, whip it out, clean it. Oh, 10mm bolts on this as well, and then there's 4 bolts that hold it in at the front. Whip it out, clean it, insulate and sound deaden. Whip it back in is exactly the opposite in reverse. So rock and roll, happy days. Ow, ow. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this little video of just a quick one of removing and adding the headliner in. We put the insulation in as well. I didn't film that bit, but yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Next video is going to be putting the bed in the back, I think, and then after that we're on to first fix electrics, so running a load of electrical lines here, there and everywhere, potentially building up the actual electric hub, and then it's on to actually walling and flooring. Still got to do the floor. We've been sweeping it out every now and then, but it should now be watertight. Mentioned last week about the door seal, still yet to order that. We'll get there. But yeah, enjoyed this one, hope so. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Cheers.